Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to share your location on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Tap on the four dots at the bottom left of your screen. Select Location. Tap on Send Current Location at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. This is how you share your location on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.